Good morning, everyone, and I hope you are doing good. And I want to wish you a Ramadan Kareem. Welcome in today's lecture with Miss Rafael, and let's get directly started. So, in today's lecture, we're going to be talking about financial statement analysis. Financial statement analysis. So, let's get started. So, first things first, we are going to ask what do we mean by the analysis of financial statement, or what is financial statement analysis? A financial statement analysis is the process of analyzing a company's financial statements. Why? For decision-making purposes. So this is the purpose, this is the aim. The goal of this process is to analyze the company's financial statements to come to a decision at the end. The financial statements of a company, they do what? They record important financial data, necessary data. What kind of data? Financial data, financial information on every aspect of business activity. As such, they can be evaluated on the basis of past, current, and projected performance. So they will be assessed on the basis of the previous performance of the business, the current performance, and the performance in the future, right? Now, in order to do so, there are some techniques that we need to follow, to do the analysis of these statements. So, what are these techniques that we use to analyze financial statements? Several techniques are commonly used as part of financial statement analysis, but the most common ones are horizontal analysis, vertical analysis, and ratio analysis. These are the three of the most important techniques in financial statement analysis. So let's go and see each one separately. We have the first one, horizontal analysis. Horizontal analysis. Now, in the horizontal analysis, it compares data horizontally. How? By analyzing values of line items across two or more years. So we are talking about periods. Okay, we're talking about comparing the two line items, for example, per year, per period. This is the horizontal analysis. Whereas in the vertical analysis, as you see there in the now, we're going down. Okay, we're going down. So we're not comparing periods or years, but we are comparing the line items with the first line item base. So the vertical analysis looks at the vertical effects that line items have on other parts of the business and the business proportions. So we are comparing line items with each other and how do they affect. Okay, we're not comparing that the periods, we're comparing the line items affection. All right, so let's move and see the third one, which is ratio analysis. Now, when we say ratio analysis, we're talking about calculations and statistical relationships and operations. So we're going to do some mathematical uh, operations. So it uses important ratio metrics to calculate statistical relationships. These are the three techniques that we find in analyzing financial statements. Now let's go and see what are these financial statements that we're going to analyze. What do we find in financial statements? So there are three types of financial statements. You will find in each business, in each corporation, in each company, three types of financial statements or in any business, right? So you have the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. We said we have the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. These are the financial statements, okay? Financial statements. The papers required in each business. What do we do to this? We analyze them. Why? We go back to the first word we said at the beginning of the video to come up to a decision. So it helps in decision making. Now, I don't want to make the video long, so we're going to stop here. And I'm going to give you a homework to do. What you're going to do is you're going to answer one of these questions or both of them as you like, and you're going to send the answers for me via email. Okay. So, what are the advantages of financial statement analysis? And explain the three types of financial statements mentioned before. Pay attention. I said the financial statements, not the techniques, okay? The types of financial statements, the ones that we have just mentioned. So you choose one of these, you answer these questions and send them to me via email. All right, you will find it in the description box. I will keep it there, or you can just hit the administration and get my email there for those who are not my students in the first semester. And you're going to be evaluated for that. There will be process. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for your attention, and I hope to see you next time, inshallah, in the next video. Take care, and I'm waiting for your answer.